When I click in this picture, it is not opening. I'm showing error message, incorrect function. Today I'm going to show you two kind of solution of this problem here. Number one, right click this PC icon and go to manage. Double click service and applications options and go to service again. Double click here. Increase this white little bit to see the result easily. Scroll and go to Window License Manager service. Double click this Window License Manager service. Startup type, you choose automatic and click apply and then click OK. Close it and open your picture. If not success, next method, click the start button, click this setting option. Go to apps. In this apps and features, type here photo, PHOTO, because you have got a problem in photo. So type of photo and you will see here photo and click photos. Click this advanced option. Scroll and go to little down, you will see here reset. In this reset options, you will see here repair. Just click this repair options. It's repairing now. It take a little time. Yes, process has been done. Then I open again this my pictures. Yes, done. My picture has been opened.